I wanted to show you how you could start with a pair of knit leggings, cut out, how you can position the embroidery design, and then stitch on the leggings. So here I have my pair, and I created a little brown pair of leggings and put the embroidery design right along the side. So it's just gonna kind of run right up the side of my calf when I wear them. So a cute little pair of pants, and quick and easy to do. Leggings are super quick to put together, fun to make, and you can add all kinds of embroidery designs to them. So we'll set these aside. And here I have the pattern. This is a pattern where you literally print the pattern out on 8.5 by 11 paper and then tape it together following the numerical chart.